It's good to meet you, Uday-san, after a month.
Well, last time we met in your own home city of Bangalore. We had a nice meeting then.
Yes. And can you let us know more about the launch? Because it was a big successful launch. I've seen people talking very nice thing about the brand. So you can let us know our audience.
Look, today's a very special day. It's the start of the financial year. Just recently started. The passenger market is a market that needs huge. It is already disrupted, but needs huge disruption. Last year on Vahan portal, almost 6 lakh vehicles, 640 odd lakh vehicles were registered.
Okay.
But 92% of passenger, even in 92% of ICE vehicles are passenger.
Okay.
Okay. So we think this product, I don't think I can talk to you with a shadow of a doubt that we have got a product that does 126 kilometers with a single charge. So, Modi ji is talking about his bar 400 par. I'm telling you, har bar 400 par.
Okay.
In the day, in the morning, in the afternoon, at tea time, at dinner time, you can do 400 plus kilometers.
Okay.
Range is not an issue.
Okay.
5-year warranty on the vehicle. 2 lakh kilometer. Okay. 2 lakh kilometer warranty on the battery is unheard of. Exponent product is technology. It is something that an alliance of OSM and Exponent is an unbeatable product. And in the passenger market, we're going to disrupt this entire country. And the most beautiful part, see, technology doesn't need to make things more expensive. It's 324. So I would say, go and check out and look at every product in this market. I don't think anybody can touch it.
And can you let us know how this partnership initiated, the background? Because I know whenever you put your hands on some project, a lot of background thing happens. So what was the idea behind collaborating with Exponent, and how long back it has initiated?
Look, Arun-san is Arun Vinayak, who's the co-founder, who's the founder actually of Exponent, is an ex-Ather founder. Strong pedigree. Somebody who I have a lot of respect for. And today, Ather is one of the best products in this market.
Yes.
Right? We can all agree to that. See, agreeing to success is very important.
Correct.
So Arun-san has that experience.
Yes.
I met Arun-san, you won't believe it, when he was in Bangalore.
Okay.
It was like a tin shed, right? It was a tin shed. And the guys who worked for him were sitting underneath a tree and having lunch.
Oh.
Today, Arun-san has come back again. Exponent has done so well. I believe in him. He understands technology. He knows what he's doing. We kept on working together for almost 2 years. We kept working on the product, and passenger was something that I thought. And Dinesh-san, I know how to sell, right? I can sell anything under the earth. And I think you know me, the energy I bring.
Yes.
And I think so that was a combination of technology, OSM with their sales capability and their powerhouse of systems and teams across the country and the dealerships. And so it was a combination of both. And that led to where we are today. And I'll tell you today, I think a lot of people are shaking their heads and saying, how do I now up that? Now, if they up that, who will benefit?
Yes.
The consumer.
The consumer.
And you know me. I'm always here to make the consumer better.
And I've seen the product, it's top notch. The price is also been disclosed. So which all are the reasons you want to push this product?
First, I want to bring it to my best and my closest mate, Dinesh-san's home, Bangalore. And next is my own hometown, Delhi walon ki Delhi. है ना? और दिल्ली आपका भी शहर है. So double. So this one is dedicated to you, Dinesh-san. Bangalore and Delhi first.
Okay. And your March numbers were top notch. And
thank you.
You closed at a very high last financial year. So what sort of, I don't want to get into the numbers because, but what is your, how do you see 2020? I know in your presentation you spoke that the market is going to grow, the overall demand is there. So how do you see OSM doing in 2024-25?
I will double up my volume. I will double up my top line and I'll make it EBITDA positive.
Okay. And any new locations you are targeting to expand, plus any new factory you are setting it up?
We will put it. We have already discussed it. I will have to, I will not put it in your state of Karnataka, but in Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
I am definitely up for that.
Okay.
And I am also going to maybe announce something very big in the Middle East in the next 2 months.
Okay.
For setting up for Africa.
Okay.
And so there are multiple other things going on. We will continually expand. I will not let you down, Dinesh-san. You have been watching us from far away. You have been a guiding life, like a star to us. You've been telling us what we need to improve, and we respect you. And I think I respect everybody. I only have one goal, Dinesh-san.
Okay.
A cleaner and a greener India.
Okay.
And I hope whatever, 50 years I've left in my life, at 105, I'm still working in the front lines of green energy and sustainability.
Okay. And today you launched 15 minutes quick charging. How do you see, because I know what others are doing, so it's a good boost, like the testimonial of drivers which you have shown. So how do you see this move? How do you see,
I see Bangalore and Delhi.
Okay.
We dominate these markets.
Okay.
We come out and put the product.
Okay.
And I think, look, it is just the beginning.
Okay.
We've got a long way to go. Arun-san, Exponent, OSM.
Okay.
And I'll be out there in the front lines of passenger driving.
Okay.
And I'll move that to every gully, every nooker.
Okay.
And I'm hoping that every passenger driver will experience this ride.
Okay.
We will continually develop more. We will continually work more. And I think this OSM Exponent alliance, as I would say, will continue to grow. Okay. But I think I continually say the only winner has to be, and I want to talk to all your customers and all the people that are in this business, that this is something that will bring you more income. That 1.4 billion people, those drivers, that woman driver, that Nari Shakti is going to bring this to us, that they will give them more income. And if it gives them no more income, their daughter will study, they will have better healthcare, and I'll build a better India. And Dinesh Bhai, you have to be with me on this.
I know it's a busy day, a lot of interviews you have lined up. Lastly, few months back, you have launched a hydrogen vehicle in Paris. So a little update on that. Plus, what are you doing in European and German market?
Look, we are in the summer, in a very short order, we're gonna rerun that hydrogen truck, three-wheeler. We'll even take it to the truck. Okay. It will prove some very staggering developments. Okay. In Deutschland, in Europe, we have got some plans. There are some developments going on. Our products are testing there. It is something that we are working on a fundraise for the European markets, and we will take that and develop that further. Okay. I will keep you posted on that in the very near future.
Okay. Many congratulations, Uday-san. And before we close, I want to present the latest issue of Dynamic Manufacturing India.
Thank you so much.
And thank you for your support, and thank you to your PR team, especially Devanshu, who has been instrumental, when whenever I asked for photos or edits, he was there for us. And looking forward to see you at Manufacturing Premier League in Namma, Bengaluru on 9th and 10th of May.
All of you, manufacturing the league, that is something that all of you need to be part of. A fit India is a better India. And I'm hoping that Dinesh-san is also a little bit more fitter. Nice to see you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, Uday-san.
Bye.
Thank you.